Congratulations on completing Module 1. You are now in Module 2, which is envisaging your dream. It's so exciting to be doing this module. It's probably the funnest one out of all of them because there are no restrictions. It's all of your own fantasy. It's all of your own imagination unleashed in this module. It's the funnest because there are also no commitments and crazy work that you have to be doing. It's just brainstorming. It's just fantasizing. It's just creating your own story and envisaging that dream. It's actually probably the most scary thing that usually people shy away from. They don't know how to discover their dream. They don't know how to really unpack their dream or unpack anything that they want in life. But seriously, doing these steps in this process that I'm going to give you right now, it'll be a whole lot of fun for you. I'm going to ask you 4 questions over this module, and they're all going to be tailored around the one phrase: what would you do? What would you do with your life if? Okay? The first question is, what would you do if money was never an issue? If you were like Richard Branson's son or something, I don't even think he has a son, but if you were Richard Branson's son, if you were the heir to Queen Elizabeth, if you had 3 or 4 multi-million-dollar businessmen in your family who would give you money in a minute's notice, what would you do with your life? The reason why I did this question first is because money is such a big killer. It's probably the biggest killer in dreams, in people getting what they want and striving for it, because they're too afraid that they're not going to have enough money to do it, or they're going to lose all of their money in the process of doing it. Let me tell you this, that money is just a tool. It's just a tool that anyone can use. Cavemen have been tinkering with tools since the day the earth began and the day they evolved. And we do the same thing, whether it's our computers, whether it's a hammer, whether it's a pen and paper. Whatever it is, we tinker with tools, and money is the same thing. Money is just a tool to get what we want. We can use it, we can abuse it, or we can use it in the wrong way, creating disastrous effects. The minute you start to embody the mindset that money is just a tool to get what you want, you can get anything you want. Anything you want in the world. We are creators of a future that doesn't exist yet. Let me say that again. We are creators of a future that doesn't exist yet. Your future hasn't been mapped out just yet. I mean, sure, some people believe in fate. I believe a little bit in fate as well. I believe that things are mapped out in certain ways, but really you can manipulate whatever you want. If you think that you're going to be broke in your life and you're going to be miserable and nothing will ever come of your life, then you will become that person. You will embody that person in your future. Instead, if you envisage that you are going to be someone spectacular, a leader in your field, someone motivational, a celebrity, someone with lots and lots of money to be able to do whatever you want to do in life, that freedom to do what you want, then you will get that if you believe in that. You are a creator of your own future, regardless of what anyone else says. Okay, so the action for this video is that I want you to download what I call the Scribble Pad. This Scribble Pad is really there for you to just put all of your thoughts down on paper, put all of the ideas on paper, centralize it into that one resource. Because at the end of this module, you are going to go back there and you are going to look at what you've written and formulate a dream, something that you really want in life out of all that scribble, right? This module is very thought orientated, it's very fantasy orientated. So you need to be writing some of this stuff down now as we're answering these questions. Okay, so download that resource and get scribbling. I'll see you in the next video.